Welcome back to my channel, guys, and to another video. In today's video, I thought it would be fun for us to do an evening routine together. I have not done one of these in so long. So I'm currently working from home and it is currently 4 p.m. right now. I will be getting off work right around 6 o'clock. So let's wrap up the work day and then I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my routine. So you all have been asking to see more of my routines and my life as a wife outside of the corporate space. So I thought this would be a great vlog or video to do for you guys so that you guys can see how I navigate being a full-time employee and also my life taking care of a home. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I didn't realize that I did not talk for the remainder of this vlog. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a voiceover narration for you guys. So after I got off work, I went ahead and got into the kitchen to make dinner. What I usually do is the night before or early in the morning, I defrost my meat and do as much prep as I can. So that way after work, it'll be super quick and easy for me to make dinner. And that is what I'm currently doing here. I just made a quick and easy salmon dish. So here is the next day. It was a Friday and I thought I would share a little bit of my morning routine with you all in case you're interested as well, since I didn't have enough footage from my evening routine. So on Friday, I start work around 7:30, so that way I can log off or get off work earlier. As I mentioned, I'm now working Fridays again, so I try to start earlier so I can end earlier and have the evenings to myself still. So I'm just making sure that my husband's lunch is packed, and funny thing is, after doing this, he decided he was gonna work from home. So yeah, but that's usually my routine every day. I try to pack his lunch and then go back to working. So since my husband was home, I made breakfast for the both of us, and this was around like 10 o'clock. I took a break from the computer, went to make a quick breakfast, and then headed back into my home office to work. So I decided to treat myself to a quick Starbucks just since it was a Friday and I needed to just get out of the apartment. So this is something I highly recommend, just being strategic about your day and creating routines so that way you can take a bit of a longer break and also just separate your work and home life. And then after work was done, we went to Target to get a couple of things for some Christmas content coming to you soon.
Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.
So that is pretty much it, showing you guys like what I do throughout my day. I didn't show you guys everything, but this is pretty much a good summary of it all. I think creating routines is super important just to keep a balance for yourself, but then also taking time for just you to decompress, because sometimes when you are working and then taking care of someone else, or you're in a partnership with somebody else, and even if you have children, you get so caught up with all the daily tasks, but we forget about ourselves as women. So it's definitely important to do things that bring joy to you, no matter what that means. So that's why I wanted to show you guys a little bit of my routine and how I do my best to keep it all together. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.